Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special unboxing to do today coming from Elite Screens. Definitely check them out. Link is going to be down below. They have many different screen sizes, many different styles to choose from. And this is the Aeon 100 inch 16:9 edge-free frame screen. So here it is. We're going to open it up, set it up, and I'll be right back. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. First look, what's inside this box. Here we go. Got this right there. Oh boy. Aha. Turning around. Whoa. Oh boy. Definitely gonna need the manual. Fixed frame series. IKEA screens. So we got a lot of good stuff right here. So this is what it looks like. Everything's good to go. I'm gonna pull these out one by one. Holy smokes. This might be a project. It's like a movie theater setup. We got some kind of silver bar here. So that roll must be the screen, probably where that silver piece connects. That's what that looks like. Nice packaging, that really good job. So like I said, if you guys want to get something different this year, somebody, nice housewarming gift, this will be a way to go. Especially everyone's going bigger now with TVs for sports, gaming. All your Fortnite players and Minecraft players will be going nuts over these screens. Definitely a nice one to get for gaming. We got another bottom piece, I think. Like I said, I'll show you parts of the setup and everything once we figure out more throughout the video. So we got that right there. Oh boy. Another piece right here. And this is some more of those pieces. I'll leave them right there for now. And everything else is over there. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be back once I take them out and figure out where I'm going to put it. But I think it's going to be on that wall. Big enough size right there for it. So stay tuned. Grab your popcorn. I'll be back. YouTubers, we got it out of the packaging. Starting to set it up. Looks really sweet. Like a nice, really nice picture frame. That's how we got it all laid out. And then, like I said, we got these to go. The bottom or the top pieces. We'll figure that out in a second, and then should be done shortly. Stay tuned. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got this pretty much finished. The only thing I gotta do is put these hooks on all the way through this. Really easy to do. There's a little tube right here. You just gotta run it through. You can see where the hole is right there. There's sticks on this side, all the way down there, all the way that side, and all the way on top over there. And there's a little clamps. You just got to run it through here, lock it in with these screws, and then these brackets are for the wall. But really easy to use. So you got tons of hooks, and I'll show you a little trick that I learned. It's gonna be hard to do with this, but you gotta go like take this part. This is a fatter side, it says to do. Just gotta hook it on first, kind of like that, and then let it hook. Hold on one sec. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it, how it's hooked like that. The fatter side right there, and then the skinnier side right in there. So there's quite a few holes. You gotta run it through like that. Little hole right there, and right throughout the sheet. So really cool. Like I said, he'll be up and running in a little bit. Stay tuned, I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. The Elite Screens Aeon 100-inch. Really nice. Frame free. A little difficult to set up. I had my friend come by and help me. So this might be good for 2 people to set up. Unless you're really good, then you have no problems. But the little parts were a little tricky, but we got it running. I don't have the greatest projector. I'm working on that next. So, but it depends on the quality of your projector. You'll get the better picture and stuff like that. Right now I got the Draco Light projectors. I did the unboxing on, so that's that right there. But I just gotta fidget around the screen size and a few settings I gotta do. But right now I just want to show you what it looks like with the lights on. Still looks really good picture for gaming. You know, have an extra gaming projector for parties and whatnot. And now we're gonna go shut the lights off and show you. Or actually, I'll show you closer up what it looks like. There you go. It has a nice name at the bottom. Kia screens. But that's what it looks like on the side. So really cool. Looks like a plasma screen. Really nice. Like I said, even with the lights on, you can still read it. So if you have kids and stuff, you can keep an eye on. This is a perfect one. Especially, I got the the Sega Mini going on right now, so plays those perfect movies or TV shows I haven't tried out yet, or sports. I'm gonna try that out on my Instagram because of copyrighted video. So if you guys want to see what it looks like with the movies, sports and stuff like that, I have something put up on my Instagram page. So definitely check that out. And now we're gonna go dark mode. Be right back. Alright, YouTubers, we're a little bit distant from it. This is what it looks like from this side. And we can zoom in a little bit more, walk closer to it. We'll try it from this angle. But like I said, I still gotta do a few minor adjustments to it, but really nice picture quality from a not a high-end projector, but a pretty decent one. But like I said, I'm getting into more the projectors and this type of style, because flat screens are cool, but this is definitely my type of taste of to watch sports and play games on. So like I said, they got so many different ones, like curve screens, you name it, they got it. So all you gotta do is browse around, add it to your thumbnail, check them out. Really cool though. We'll get a little closer now. But yeah, it looks really good. Oh, blocking the light. Sorry about that. Looks like an arcade. So, really cool. And I just gotta spend another half hour or so probably getting it right. But right now, looks really good. Like I said, you might want to get some help, and if you can't have access to help, I'll leave a link down below for Amazon Home Services where they can help set up the screen, unless Elite Screen does the setup too. So I'll double check that, leave it in the description. But really cool. Nice screen. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, and also no wires. Look at that. Alright, be safe, have a good weekend, and see you soon.